How do some people deal with all the loud noises, particularly with traffic? Well, I find that I yell at the cars sometimes, because my voice is drowned out anyway, so nobody can hear what I'm saying. Only they'll see like my lips. So there's this huge traffic rush approaching, and it's very annoying, so I want to try to block it out as best I can by possibly being loud myself. And I think that's like the traits that people take on in big cities. People are just louder because all those mechanics are louder. I personally don't like it. I've never really walked on this road before, and as unpleasant as it is, I don't want to make a habit of it. I want to avoid it. I think very few people enjoy this kind of noise, this noise pollution. I prefer the pioneer days, back when they used muscle power. That was nice and quiet in comparison to loud engines. Even the electrical cars make that whirring sound, and that's annoying as well. Most all machines pretty much make an annoying loud noise that's just disruptive. It's hard on the health. I think there's been scientific studies. Oh wow, look at that, peace and quiet. There's a break in the noise. It's very stressful. This is a terrible street among many other terrible streets. That's partly why they don't even bother making bike lanes. This one has a bike lane, but all that noise and unpleasantness is very stressful. If you can't make a separate bike path that's a good distance away from a loud, annoying road, then don't even bother trying to make that bike path, because you're not going to find many people bicycling on the side of the road. It feels like death is approaching, like torpedoes are coming at you. It's partly what gets skateboarders in trouble, looking at it on a different level there, because when skaters slam their wheels on the ground, it sounds like breaking bones, and that causes alarm. Just any loud noise causes alarm. People that play their music loud, and there's people that can play their music louder than their cars can make the noise of that, that tire turning on the concrete. I don't know what part of the driving is the most loud. It seems like it is the tire and how it interacts on the road. A lot of ways. The loud music can sound even worse than that. Like here's a huge traffic rush, and it's just all I think I hear is like the air that's spinning on the tires or something. It's just making that airy type of noise. It's nothing you can drown out. It's very annoying to deal with. Okay, I don't know how people can live on these types of roads. I lived on kind of a road like it, and I hated it. It was a good, cheap house, but that was the reason why it was cheap, is because of all the loud noise. So this type of stuff is very, very hard to deal with. But it plays on people's psychologies. People are louder. I hear a lot more people yelling in big cities than I do small ones. People just know how to stay quiet in a small city, but here in a big city, you get a lot more training in yelling and drawing attention to yourself, because you got to compete against all of the industry and traffic and just the city noise pollution issues. Very annoying stuff. Oh, I just got a whiff of some gas there.